In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the Discord application for our PC or laptop. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. First of all, you'll open up any browser. You go to the Google search and write here Discord. Hit enter and you will see this official website, that is discord.com. Click on that. And from here, you will get the option of download this for Windows. As you scroll down a bit, click on that and it will immediately start downloading it for you. So once it is downloaded, you will go to the show in folder option and just double click on it to install it. It will check for the latest updates and install the latest version for you. So just sit back and relax. Click yes, click just once if it asks you to open up the website as well. And here, if you already have the ID, you can either log in with the QR code. If you're logged into Discord mobile, you can sign in with the pass keys, or you can enter your email and password. In this case, I'll just enter my email and password because I already have an account. It will ask you, are you human? And if a new login detection is made, it will ask you for the confirmation on your mobile phone. So you just verify the login, and once it is authorized, click on login again, and you should be able to sign in just like so. Now you can use it, add friends, chat with them, make groups, and so much more. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.